Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! So, ang una kong gagawin ay table setup and yung pangalawa, table service. So, let's start! Dinner plate, make sure 1 inches. Salad plate, soup bowl, dinner knife, fish knife, soup spoon, dinner fork, salad fork, water goblet, red wine, dessert spoon, bread plate, and last, table napkin. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Food Valley's house. Do you have a table reservation?
None.
Alright, ma'am. Table for how many?
Table for one.
Okay, ma'am. This way, please. Have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Let me pour some water to your glass.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, I'm Arlene and I will be serving you today. Here are menu cards.
What is the best seller in this restaurant?
The best seller is smoky chicken with carbonated.
I will think about it.
Okay, ma'am. Just call my attention if you want to order.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to order a smoky chicken with carbolab and fries and iced tea.
Okay, ma'am. I repeat your order. 1 order of smoky chicken with carbolab, 1 order of fries, and 1 order of a glass of iced tea. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. I will be serving your order in 15 minutes. May I have the menu card?
Here.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to our restaurant. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.
Thank you.